flying in the human world to go around the bush where the pretty flowers grow. In secret place they go. Purple and Pink Fairy are going to the secret. They're the brightest fairies, gonna react to videos. All the friends are flying to the magic mystery tree. Skits and shorts and white TVs and season funny videos. And starting their reaction once and point out the data.
Find out, fairies, go!
They're magic special friends. Magic happy flying girls. Gonna do reactions. It does very special day. When they got to fairyland, they are exploring. They might have gone in the room up top of one of the toadstools, where they got a computer ready to react. It is now a fairyland and super special day. It's about the videos that are going to be really great. Here come Harmony and Rhapsody, Wizzy, Barnaby, and Elf 2. So join along with special friends. Magic, happy flying girls, they're fairies. 3, 2, 1, react!
Hi, we're the fairies. I'm Harmony.
And I'm Rhapsody.
And today we're going to react to this short film called Two Birds Together Not Forever, 'cause it's PG. And don't you worry, Rhapsody, I'm right behind you.
Oh, thanks, Harmony. I'll be brave on this one.
3, 2, 1, go!
Once upon a time, the story starts out in Bird Pond, where two baby birds named Sweetness and Sourness ever had their twin sister rivalry, even they were over 5 months old.
You both have to share or you're both in trouble!
And what about mischievous food fights? Nope, not a very good idea. These baby birds might get in trouble for this.
Okay, you two munchkins, that's enough silly business! Time to chop your noodles, you owe me one apiece!
At bedtime, Sweetness is clingy, Sourness is fussy. They didn't want to go to bed.
Those two must bring up.
How does Sourness find it inappropriate?
Don't look, Bobby. This stress might be contagious. Let's go. No, Bobby, come here. Don't look back.
Uh-oh. Sweetness and Sourness are in a fight.
Oh, my fairy. That's gotta hurt.
And then, Sweetness and Sourness are taken to the ambulance just for fighting. What's they to do? And then it's Spiciness, an evil red bird who's so evil ever since he was a baby bird, he always dreamed of taking over the world.
You're certainly right. I certainly take over the world with the power of my staff. Sweetness and Sourness, if you're hearing this is it. Prepare to die.
And then Sweetness and Sourness became super birds. This is Invincisuite.
Look at those super birds.
This is Mrs. Super Laserness. She has laser eyes. This is Electro Cute. Careful with this hair, you're gonna get electrocuted. This is Microbitter. She's not a very good singer, in fact. She sings off key. This is Horseshoe Disappearo. Now you see him, now you don't. Together, they'll save Salt Lake City from danger. Now let's see what they're up to, shall we?
They look like superheroes. Also, do you know who is this red bird? Marvelous.
Trouble breaks out.
Is gonna pay for our bird seeds. Quesadillas.
They just mentioned a food.
They come from meats, guacamole, and cheese, so I'll have to stop you, superbirds. Yeah, how did they? Let's see what will happen to them now. Hey! What are you doing? What's that? What's happening? Oh no, my pupil! It's too loud! Wait a minute, where did that green bird go? No, you just killed my army of red goo. How the hell did you guys do that?
Looks like they defeated the red bird.
And then the Superbirds celebrate their victory over Spiciness's defeat. Back in Bird Pond, there is a new egg in Mama Bird's nest. Unfortunately, Mama Bird has a new home, so deal with it. Just then, the egg is hatching out of nowhere. It began to crack and pop. There is a new baby bird named Candiness. And then, Sweetness and Sourness came back to Bird Pond to see a new baby bird. Wow, this must be a new baby bird they haven't had for years. They come for Candiness because she thought Mama Bird is gone. After hours of playing all day, it is time for the three of them to go to sleep. Their plan was successful. They became the best of siblings and they all lived happily ever after.
Looks like Sweetness and Sourness got to the green bird and got to sleep.
Hey! You got brave on this short film as well.
Thanks, Harmony. Well guys, that's me and Harmony reacting to Two Birds, Together Not Forever. Fairy goodbye.